I'll be showing you how to make slime. You need something to mix in, something to mix with, some soap, and cornstarch. So, let's get some cornstarch in the bowl. So you could put as many as you want. The more cornstarch you put, that's how much slime you're gonna get. So yeah, you just put in some cornstarch. I'm putting 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then I'm just gonna put it away. So now you need some dish soap, and you're just going to pop some in there. I'm just gonna mix. So just keep on adding dish soap and mixing, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna add some more soap. You can see I'm using this white citrus from Bath & Body Works. So I'm just gonna keep mixing. And I mostly have like citrus soaps in my house, so they mostly will turn yellow. My slimes will turn yellow, so yeah. I'm still not happy with the consistency. I want it to be slime, not clay. So I'm just going to keep mixing it, because I want slime, not clay. Got a consistency of slime, so so this is, wait, I need to get the good consistency. Okay. This is my consistency. And I'm going to keep stirring until all the cornstarch gets mixed into the soap mixture. Just like that. So now you're going to put it into the fridge for only 2 minutes, or else it's going to turn into ice, because the cornstarch is like, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 2 minutes. And it's really bright outside, so sorry you can't see it that well. Okay, now you can see it. So make sure it's in the freezer. I don't know if I said freezer or fridge, but freezer for 2 minutes. For the fridge, probably 5 to 10 minutes, but freezer 2 minutes only. So yeah, came out the freezer, and it's gonna look like this, and it's like sticky. So yeah, and it's really sunny outside, so sorry you can't really see it good. And it's like that. So yeah, I'm gonna add a bit more soap to make it clean. So I'm going to add a bit more soap, just a bit. It'll just make it like a bit slimier and not too doughy, because I do not want dough, I want slime. Really nice slime, and it's not like dough, so, and it's like gonna be slimy. So I added a bit more slime, like teaspoon of soap, a bit more slime, a bit more soap, and I added like a teaspoon, and it got really liquidy. So I'm just gonna keep mixing it until it gets like that creamy texture again, and yeah. It's a bit more slime. I think I added too much soap. So I'm going to add some more cornstarch. Just like a bit because it's already slimy. So we wet the surface and I added more cornstarch, and this is what it's like. So it's like really, really slimy, and it like, see, it's not like dough because then it will expand. See, it's dropping and it's slimy and it stretches. So as you can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's DIY slime tutorial, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.